Hey guys, it's Will at Jordan Bikes, and today I've got for sale this. It's a lovely and super clean Harley Davidson Superlow 1200. Cracking little bikes these for a Sportster. This one's a 2016 66 plate, 8,001 miles on this one. Full stage 1 kit on this one, so it's got the Vance and Hines on there, Screaming Eagle intake, it's also got the Super Tuner as well. Panniers that you get with this little bad boy, backrest, also the engine bars, screen. It's got like that classic look about it and enough room to stick your kebabs in. Belter of a bike, little Harley Davidson embossed logo on the back. A little bit of a charger down here as well. There you go, 8,001 miles. Cracking little bike. I'll give it a start up so we can hear the noise. A little belter. Anyway, cracking, gorgeous bike, finished off in the gloss black, mega bike. Yeah, nothing more can be said. Anyway guys, all you need to do to get this bought, pop down to Jordan Bikes, just give us a call. Cheers.
Hi, I'm Nick and thank you for watching the video. Just to let you know, the bike you've just seen will go through our workshop with a fine tooth comb and we will put a 3-month parts and labour warranty on it. We're so confident it's a good bike that we're happy to extend that for 1, 2 or even 3 years. We also offer finance and PCP on all our bikes subject to status, and the PCPs are on bikes up to 4 years old. So if you like it, give us a call and get it bought before somebody else does. Thank you. Cheers.